This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and a long time ago, in video number 410, I featured this Master Lock Model 605 sliding bolt padlock. It's something that's fairly common here in the US for locking trailer couplers. Unfortunately, despite the inclusion of spooled security pins in the core, there's a pretty fundamental design flaw. If you reach through the keyway with a sharp tool like this one included in the Covert Instruments Arbiter Bypass set, you can dig it into the locking lug, push down, and the lock pops open. Now, at the time I shot that video 7 years ago, I didn't realize that Master sold two larger versions of the 605 in Europe, the 606 and 607. So I had to pick up a couple samples to see if the same flaw applied, and as I suspected, it does. Here is the 606 and the 607. I should note that on some of these locks, you don't need the bypass tool, but you can actually just use a hooked lockpick. I was able to get that to work on the 606 and 605, but not on the 607. And though this hook doesn't seem to work, in my testing I did discover there is another inexcusable flaw, and that is a 5-pin comb. Okay, folks, it's hard to summarize locks like this other than to state the obvious. These are locks to avoid. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.